What? Sheldon, add a new task. Build a new bed, queen size, no roof. Should have repaired my shell's ice maker.
Huh, Leo? Why are you in the kitchen breaking stuff at 4 a.m.? Everything okay? You're standing there mischievously. Yeah, well, why wouldn't it be? Mugs are slippery things when you're washing them. The mug on the floor that was filled with tea that you're washing away from the sink? Yeah, just trying something new. Are you crying? No. Huh? Leo, I can get you a new mug, or better yet, I'll wake up Mikey. Right, okay, let me first get you to your room. I'm going to pick you up, alright? Almost there. Oh, 7 months since the movie and your room is still a mess. There. So, I'm gonna head back and get the expert. Be right back. Donnie? Yes, Nardo? Can you stay for a bit? Sigh. Okay. What would Mikey do? Show empathy. Ask what's the cause of their feelings. Are you willing to share what caused you to uncharacteristically retract into your shell? It's kind of sweet when you try to be comforting. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event. Take it or leave it. I'll take it. It was one of those timeline memory what's-its again. Okay, but that never had you retract like a toddler before. What's worse than Raph's death? Yours. Mine? Yeah. But it was very heroic, like the death of Jupiter Jim and the time he died, but not really, volume 56. The way you say Mike was very impressive. So care to share what happened? Are you sure, dear? I mean, I was there when you died, unlike... No, but I'd rather be informed of my alternative future's demise before the timeline glitch hits me. I assume that kind of data collection will also be calming. Raph still hasn't told us what he remembered, only that he did after you shared you recalled his quote-unquote funeral. Not even Papa. So, honestly, I'm lucky you were there. You can give me all the details. Lucky? You're hilarious. I'm really trying here. I know. I mean, lucky in the sense that I can talk to you about it, so I don't have to talk about my feelings with Angela. Oh, ho, are you saying you didn't love Dr. Feeling's family therapy sessions? Just tell me what happened. Look, I get it, Dee, but I still feel like it's a bad idea. You are a bit sensitive. Gasp, I am not. And I don't think you'll like what I'm about to tell. Yeah, just get to the good part. Code 2! I repeat, Code 2. Mikey's down. Status changed to rescue mission. April, disengage and bring the team back to safety. Donnie needs my backup. Prepare a medic team on arrival. I saw you fly off with Mikey. I felt so relieved, but barely a few feet up, the Crane sister had gotten a hold of you. You removed your shell and let it take Mikey back to April and the team. You were pulled down and I panicked. Donnie! I shouldn't have called out to you. It was my fault. Leo, Mikey's with us. Poor little pest. We're nearly home. What's holding you up? Another brother taken by the mighty Crane. Leo, do you copy? Did I manage to save Mikey? So sad. You did, Dee. He's with April. Leo, not to worry you, but I don't feel anything on my neck. My spine isn't bad. Am I gonna die? It's the medics are on their way. Hold on a little longer. They'll fix you right up. Can't die yet. What about Mikey? April still. Papa, I'm not ready to die yet. Just a little longer, please. Leo, why didn't you? Oh no. You okay there, Dawn? Yeah, I just feel a bit exposed. I shouldn't have told you. I insisted you did, Leo. No need to blame. Still, I know how you feel about your shell, and I'm supposed to protect my younger brothers. Ooh, I think I've got something. Got something? There, it's the weighted blanket you got me. Now get comfy while I get us some snacks. Doubt either one of us can sleep after all that. Wait, wasn't I here to comfort him? Really, Donald? Just when you two were opening up. Shoo. I know both of you rather not talk about your feelings, but it'll help. I promise. Got each other, and me and Raph too. Don't forget to hug it out. I'm back with the snacks in your laptop. So, would you like a hug? What's this? An affectionate Donnie? Here you can see them foreshadowing Jupiter Jim's death was fake. Nice.